How to check the height measurement on a 500 kL scale. Raise the height rod to a desired height measurement. Extend the headpiece to its horizontal position. To check the height, you will need a metal tape measure. When checking the height measurement, do not align the tape measure along the pillar. Doing this will show a 1-inch height discrepancy, as the height rod accounts for the ability to read the measurement under the headpiece. Instead, place the end of the tape measure onto the middle of the platform. Raise the tape measure to the height of the headpiece. Align the tape measure so you can read a measurement alongside the bottom of the headpiece where it would rest on a patient's head. Compare the tape measure height to the height measurement shown at the red line on the scale pillar. The height measurements should match, allowing for plus or minus a 1/4 inch tolerance. If checking pediatric heights below 48.5 inches, read the measurement at the lower lip of the headpiece.